Hello everyone! Today's video is on the best upright vacuum in the market for this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options at several price points, so no matter your budget, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. At number 1, Bissell 2252 Clean View Swivel Upright Bagless Vacuum. It is an upright vacuum whose model number is 2252, and it looks beautiful because of its green pet color. Bissell makes it. It is very popular for its maneuverability. That means it can clean all around your house. It can clean upholstery, stairs, and more. You can easily empty its dirt tank. Only one press is enough to make it empty. It includes a tool named Pet Turbo Eraser, which is a very unique pet tool. Scatter-free advanced technology is there to fulfill your cleaning needs to cover all sorts of surfaces. At number 2, Dyson Ball Animal 2 Total Clean Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Dyson brings this powerful and convenient vacuum cleaner. The model number of the kit is Ball Animal 2 Total Clean. Compared with other vacuum cleaners, its suction power is very strong. The technology of Dyson is designed in such a way that would make your house healthier and cleaner. It is also a perfect choice provided that you have pets in your house. Without tangling, it can remove pet hair. It can clean up under furniture and even high. Users think that it is one of the best upright vacuum cleaners for having many supporting traits.
What can you say about our first two products? If you have comments or questions, then just leave them in the comment section and we will attend to them immediately. There are more products on our list, so you will still have more choices to come. If you are not yet a subscriber of our channel, then please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press on the bell icon to get an instant notification of when I upload a new video. Now, let's continue.